These are the top 5 meta ad launching platforms in 2026. So I'm just going to start real quick with the number one slot, which is AdManage.ai. I'm going to go more in depth with it, but there's a reason why this is number one. I just wanted to show you guys just the interface real quick, just so you can see what we're dealing with here. And then we'll go to the others, and then you can compare visually, and I'll speak about the differences as well. So at number 5, we have Birch, or also known as RevealBot. It's basically a mature ad automation platform where bulk launching is basically one component of a broader automation suite. So the main focus of Birch is ad automation. So it supports Meta, Google, TikTok, and Snapchat. You have very custom, sophisticated rules with complex conditions. You get custom metrics, dashboards, and Slack alerts, and even a Google Sheets integration for bulk editing. Where it's best is it's got a wide platform support. It's got powerful rule-based automations, like I mentioned before, and the Google Sheets integration for bulk edits, as well as the custom metric Slack alerts. But with this, the automations are very high end. They're very good. But the issue is that launching is like a secondary like part of it all. It's not the most focused part. And on top of that, there is also spend-based pricing. So the more successful you are using Birch, the more you're gonna have to pay Birch. Launching speed is slow, so it's built mainly for automation, not really bulk uploads. But if you learn how to use it, it can be a very powerful tool if a bit expensive. Now, like I said, it's an automation beast. It's really good at automation, but compared to AdManage, AdManage actually delivers far superior workflow for many teams using it. AdManage also has automations as well, and also has a bunch more other features in regards to ad launching that Burst just simply does not offer. So at number 4, we have Kitchen.io, which is a creative production and ad launching platform with both Meta and TikTok support and cloud storage integrations and also team collaboration features. So when looking at Kitchen.io, we can see the ad platform here. So you can also add TikTok as well. You got your asset sources, so you can do your local files, or you can even integrate Google Drive and Dropbox, and then the launching system. So if we go to launch, and then we go to sheets, so you basically create sheets. So let's just create a new sheet right here. Let's just do meta, and that's the right account. Yep, cool. Asset source, we want it to be local files. Next. Let's just launch it as pause, turn off one-year tracking, and yeah, identity as well. Then you have your creative enhancements. So you can, these are automatically turned off, which is great, but you can also turn some of them on if you need. Got your collection and catalog carousel. We also add site links and catalog items. And then you just import your assets. Let's say I just want to do just one. So let's just pick this right here. So it's ready. Just hit upload. Cool. Now we go to next. Want to group it per item instead of just by name. So if it was by name, it's gonna be like that. Okay, cool. Now I want to select the campaign ad set. You could fill in your primary text descriptions, destination URL. So it's gonna use the Facebook page. Throw that in there. The CTA, just pick one, and then the page ID and then the user Instagram ID will be the same as Facebook page. Then we review ads. Cool, we're all happy. And then we just hit launch one ad. Now, if I was to do multiple, I'd have to fill all those out separately, which would be a tedious process. But yeah, that's why you have the multi-bulk edit here. So now we can see it's launched. So if I go to my Meta Ads Manager and I hit refresh, I can see it's right here, processing. So that's kind of how Kitchen.io works. But if we look at more of their interface, it's pretty minimal. It's not much to look at. And, if I was to go more in depth with it with Kitchen.io, I'd say it's great that it supports both Meta and TikTok. It's good that you have, the cloud integrations, the team collaboration for approval workflows and creative templates. But what's actually lacking with it is just there is actually monthly upload caps and there's overage fees. So you have a cap to how much you can upload. If you go over that, you get charged for it. So there's no flat fee. It's a less sophisticated placement intelligence than AdManage has. AdManage has auto placement, auto formatting, auto grouping as well. And the pricing scales awkwardly as you grow. So it's much better for agencies needing collaboration and multi-platform support within predictable monthly volumes. So if you're launching unpredictable numbers, then it gets a bit complicated. But what makes AdManage better in a lot of ways and why it's number one compared to Kitchen is that you have a flat fee, you have unlimited launches, you have support for not just Meta and TikTok, but also Snapchat, Pinterest, and AppLovin. There is also auto grouping, auto placement, launching as a post ID. It also has the same features as Kitchen.io, but just a lot more. At number three, we have Adnova. So Adnova is a creative analytics platform that also includes bulk launching, but its main standout feature is the 75 million plus ad library for comparative research combined with the creative performance analytics. So like I said, you have a 75 million plus ad library for comparative research. You got creative analytics with performance correlation. You have bulk launching as with Post ID, which AdManage does also offer. You have AI powered creative scoring. If we were to list it as straight pros, you can research plus launch in one workflow. Let's look at comparative creative variations and launch. You can see creative performance insights, analyzing which creative elements correlate with what results, and also the post ID support. But the area which it lacks is it's quite costly, and it does add up. So just an account is $79 a month, but then for each ad account you pay $20. So agencies with 10 plus will be paying up to $280. There is also upload storage limit, so there's caps on the storage, and you are required to pay for upgrades. Launching is also secondary. It's not the main feature, and it's not as deep dedicated as launches. And it's only meta. There is no TikTok support at all. So it's usually best for creative teams who value comparative research alongside launching. But AdManage actually does the same thing. So AdManage integrates with AdScan, which lets you look at the entire meta ads library, look at the top ads and what their spend is, and then take inspiration from those to then create your own ads and then bulk launch them through AdManage onto Meta or TikTok, or if you wanted to, Snapchat, Pinterest, and AppLovin. Taking the number two spot, we have Ad Uploader, which is as raw as it gets pretty much. It's a streamlined bulk launcher built for meta advertisers who want speed without any complexity. So let me just walk you through the platform. So right here you have your account selection, then you have your files. So you can use Google Drive or local. Let's just grab one local file to use just to keep it simple. Let's upload it. Then you can just see the script here working in the bottom, right? So there we go, it's uploaded successfully. We can see it right here. From there, you can then do a config method. So you can either add config or even select a meta ad to copy settings from the API, or use a save preset. I'm just gonna use a save preset because I've made one. You can choose to create a new campaign, new ad set, change your ad names, but then you have it all right here. You can apply text to all ads, write unique per ad set or per ad. So we just got it right here, pretty much simple. Creative enhancements auto turned off, but then you can turn them all on. It's your choice. So I'm just gonna create the ad. Let's launch it. There we go, it's been launched. So you can view Meta Ads Manager, and we can just see it right here. It's processing. So it's pretty simple. Ads Uploader is pretty simple. The pros are it's just simple. It's got post ID duplication, and you can do unlimited accounts. It's very good for like one person user. But the cons are there's no TikTok support like AdManage has. There's no built-in analytics or automation features. There's no media processing before uploading. It just uploads it straight. So there's no like auto formatting or auto grouping or anything like that. And there's limited team features. Whereas AdManage kind of does all the things that this software lacks, and some more as well. But we're gonna get into that right now. So finally, we have the number one spot, AdManage.ai. So with AdManage, it's basically what all the runner-ups offered, but it also offers it in one place, and it does more. So if we look at it, you have your ad accounts, so you can launch from Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, AppLovin, all in one place. You have your ad sets that you can select. You can duplicate your campaign. You can duplicate your ad sets. You've got automatically loaded copy from your best copy, and you can load other copy as well, launch as active or inactive, or even do partnership ads, multi-language, tracking specs, collection ads, ad Advantage Plus. All of it's just right here. On top of that, you have table mode, so you can bulk edit ads, so you can even launch from multiple ad accounts. So if I duplicate here, scroll across, so this one, let's say I want this to be from this ad account, and then this one I want to be from another ad account. So just like that. And then you just upload your media, do your copy, and then you're good to go. And it automatically loads your copy as well. What it also offers is an ads library. So you have all your assets for which you've uploaded right here. All can be filtered by type, tags, channel, the ratio, who in the team uploaded it. You also got an in-house ads manager to enable or disable ads, campaigns, or ad sets. You also have your ad templates here as well. You can determine them just by ad setup, tags, top performing, or even AI name. You also have your top creative, so this can become charts. We also have a comments manager here for Meta and TikTok, so your Facebook comments are all right here. So you have your cards view, table view, and even an ads view just to manage it very easily. In the table view, it also lets you bulk hide, bulk like, and you can even reply or delete to comments. Now with the replying, we also have AI replying, so you can have an AI tool with your prompt reply exactly how you want it to. We also do offer automations. So let's say you have a winning ad on Facebook, you want it to scale on TikTok after a certain amount, you can set that up. Let's say you wanted to update a Google Sheets, you can do that as well. There's a bunch of different automations that we've added. We also do have AdScan, which looks at the meta ads library. It looks at the top performing ads in terms of spend and views. And you can look at them for ad inspiration. You can search keywords and then take inspiration, create your own ads, and then bulk launch them yourself straight through the same platform which you found them on. Now, if we go to our settings, we also have the ability to turn off creative enhancements in one click. Your naming convention. So we have an AI tool that can rename your ad creatives for you, and this is the sort of schema it can follow, and you can customize it how you want. Your launch settings, so you do multi-advertiser all the way to tracking specs. You can even launch ads as post ID as well, and it's just simple toggles. To make it even better, we have a bunch of integrations. So like I said, integration with Meta, TikTok, Google, Axon, Snapchat, Pinterest. But also for your media storage, you have Google Drive, Dropbox, SharePoint, Frame.io, Air, Iconic, Brand Folder, your organic Meta posts, even your organic TikTok posts, which you can relaunch as ads on the platform here. And ad launching is really simple. It's a case of you can got your library right here, just select your media, select your ad sets, and then you just launch as active or inactive, launch, and there we go. It's launched just like that, so we can view the details, see it's all success, gives us the full detail, and also you can view an ads manager. So when we look at AdManage, it's the most complete and most powerful bulk launcher on the market in 2026. It's built for high volume, it's built for advertisers, it's built for agencies, and it lets you access all different types of platforms, a bunch of different integrations that are continuously being added to. You got your auto grouping, your auto placement, you got all these different features which AdManage offers. So it's like the exact same things that other platforms offer, but AdManage also has it all in one place, and it has a lot more. So cloud storage, post ID, workspace management, a naming convention engine, a transcription tool, a preview tool. So if I wanted to preview my ads, if I go to the ad launcher, hit preview, I can see how it's going to look in the interface. There's so much that AdManage just offers that makes it number one, and it rightfully so. There's so many reasons as to why it's there. And we also a blog right here, the link is in the description if you want to read more about the top 11 bulk ad launching platforms. I've only covered 5, but this has 11. Goes through all the details, and it tells you why AdManage ranked number one, how it all compares, and things like that. So feel free to check it out in the link below.